Mateo 25:14, Mateo 25:14 to 30, ang parable, the parable of the talents. Ang Diyos ay hindi nag-expect sa atin ng same result tulad ng mga mayayaman, but He expect faithfulness from all of us. Katapatan para sa atin. How to overcome fear and take an action. Embrace stewardship. Your time, finance, talent are not just for your own personal comfort. Invert them to help your family improve your local community. Napaganda nitong parable of the talents na ito.